All right, today is a really exciting day because we are going to install the Jet Motors Turbo Kit on a 1962 Woody wagon. This is Jerry's Woody wagon, and these are all of the parts that we took off of the Woody, okay? And this is what's going on. So let's go take a look at the engine. I'll show you where we're at right now. So it's really easy to do these turbo kits because, well, we removed the bonnet, set it aside, took the intake, took the exhaust off, prepped it, got it ready for the new turbo kit to go on, and this is a before, and this is the kit. Here it is, guys. This is actually really cool because what we've done here is created the optional black ceramic turbo coating, which is inside and outside, and this stuff really does work. This is state-of-the-art coating, and it is really good at keeping the heat off. You are going to get your stainless steel header. These are all stainless steel, but you can have us optionally put it in the black ceramic coating, or maybe you would prefer bronze. So we're going to provide bronze, black, or just natural stainless steel, okay? Another thing about the kit is that everything's pre-packaged and bagged. You get all the hardware, all the nuts, all the washers, everything you could possibly need, because we've installed a lot of these so far, so we know what works and what doesn't work. On the options list, you're going to see that you can choose your high pressure fuel pump, rising rate fuel pressure regulator, and it has to be 1-to-1, so that when you're on boost, it increases the fuel pressure. There's a gauge there so you can set it, because if you're carbureted, you need to be about 3.5 psi. If you're fuel injected, which is another option that we're going to provide, of course you crank that up. Also, turbo blanket. So the turbo blanket is another option. So these are the optional parts, the optional coating, and here's the kit. So watch, pay attention. This is going to be fun. We're going to time lapse it as well as do some detailed how-to videos on how to put this kit on and tune it. So here we go. Are you ready? All right, you guys, I am so excited because we just finished the Jet Motors Turbo Kit on the 62 Woody wagon. And did you see how when we fired it up for the very first time, it just lit right off the bat? That was awesome. That's how easy this really is. And Jerry, the proud owner, was there for to witness how when we first lit it up, again, that was not rehearsed. We had the timing almost perfect. We had the fuel almost perfect, and it just lit right off the bat. And if you notice, there was quite a bit of exhaust note because that was an open header. Now it's kind of quiet actually, because when you do turbocharge, it really reduces the intake noise a lot, and it reduces the exhaust note a lot. So what I did was I drove it down to our buddy's muffler shop because I needed a little flex joint, and I wanted a flex joint at the header, and I ran a new pipe to the DTM side as exit exhaust, and voila, I drove it back. We started tuning it some more. We got the ignition timing just perfect. We reprofiled the needle, gave it a little more fuel because we put a wide band air fuel gauge in there, and I wanted 12-to-1, and I got it. It was perfect. So we continued to drive it around, and voila, we've got a perfect running turbocharged Woody wagon, and I'm going to take you guys for a ride, but I want you to witness where I'm standing. I can't believe this, but I have a turbocharged Mini Moke and a turbocharged Woody wagon. Ah!